वहाँ पर एक लेडी थी, उनसे बात हुई थी, तो बोले थे हम इमरजेंसी लाइट पे रहते हैं। तो वो सुन के बड़ा शॉकिंग था।
And one of the conversations that stuck to me was how much they had to work for absolute normal things.
I think that's how much hard they work for their daily life.
ये आपको लोकेशन याद है?
हाँ, ये राजस्थान का एक छोटा सा गांव है जिसका नाम सांबर है।
Yes, we collectively went as a group there. First, harvested water from the ponds, and here we were mixing materials to lay a foundation for someone's home.
हाँ, ये फोटो बहुत फनी लग रहा है मेरे शॉर्ट्स और कैप्स की वजह से, बट आई थिंक इट वाज अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग visit actually to the Sambar village. I think that's some initiative we took as a franchise to go and visit that village and spend some quality time with the people over there. It was very humbling experience for all of us.
For them to build houses and make a living. I feel this was something that was a real eye opener for me and how we take things for granted. But this made me realize that there are a lot of people who are working really hard for basic needs.
हाँ, ये हम ग्रुप में दाल बाटी बना रहे थे। हम ग्रुप में बना रहे थे तो ईजी था, बट अगर देखा जाए, जैसे मेरी मम्मी भी है, उनको अकेले पूरे घर का खाना बनाना पड़ता है, तो वो एक्सपीरियंस किया था। बहुत टफ है, लेकिन एंजॉय बहुत किया था।
And it kind of actually we also figured out what type of work all of them have to do for their daily life. I think that's how much hard they work for their daily life.
वहाँ पर एक लेडी थी, उनसे बात हुई थी, तो बोले थे हम इमरजेंसी लाइट पे रहते हैं। तो वो सुन के बड़ा शॉकिंग था।
And one of the conversations that stuck to me was how much they had to work for absolute normal things, whether it's water, whether it's bricks, whether it's electricity, transport, and the struggle they go through with their day-to-day lives. I feel just makes me way more humble about the things that I take for granted or I used to take for granted.
But looking at them, looking at their energy, I think it was a lot of fun. I think they were never taking it as a hard work. I think they were really enjoying it. So I think, yeah, it was a very great experience with all of them there.
हम नीचे से, जिसको बोलते हैं, नींव बना रहे थे, फाउंडेशन बना रहे थे एक घर बनाने का, लेकिन बहुत डिफिकल्ट था। किसी को ठीक से प्लेस करना भी नहीं आ रहा था, लेकिन वो अपनी लाइफ में रोज़ करते हैं और उनको खुद से करना पड़ता है। और वहाँ पर देखा मैंने, इतने पक्के मकान भी नहीं थे, तो एक्सपीरियंस था।
They showed me what they did every day to survive, to make a living, and to get basic needs, which was again another eye opener. Because getting that, harvesting that water from the ponds, getting it back to the tub, then again bringing it back, I think that was in that heat. That was something that was a real big challenge for me. Just makes me appreciate everything they do a little bit more.
I was just asking about their life and they were asking about mine, and then we had some good chats actually. I think I was asking how much of cricket they know. So I think they kind of felt a bit energized at the moment of like cricketers getting involved, and जैसे हम लोग को टीवी में देखते थे, and then suddenly we all went and had a meal with them on the table, and I think they also felt very happy, and they also were like very happy to feel all of us being together and having the chats there. Yeah.
I think I just feel more grateful now after that visit. I think everything, just started appreciating everything a little bit more. The Ping Promise game is a little more special because every time we hit a 6, there are 6 houses that are getting solar powered.
I think it's very something great tribute to all the special women out there. I think putting their names out and we're representing them and doing a wonderful gesture to just respect them.
I hope that makes a big change in their lives, and hopefully I can hit a few 6s so that I can come back to my room with my head held high and say that, okay, I've helped change lives.